Day 248, Adam comes to the diary room to moan about some snoring in the house.
It's fucking impossible to sleep in here. I mean, I'm fucking pulling my own hair out. I've been in this house 248 days now, and it's killing me. It's fucking killing me.
The night of day 248, 1:22 a.m. Each week, the housemate nominates someone else to be evicted from the Big Brother house. Nomination day, and Adam is in the diary room.
It's voting day. Still going on, so I've got no other choice, but I'm going to put my own brother up for nomination. Tom.
Who goes? You decide.